All right, good evening. After 11 o'clock now on Sunday, the 11th of June 2023, we continue to track multiple severe thunderstorms late this evening, although their numbers have decreased. Some of them are still being quite rowdy in the hail and wind department, and the potential for some heavy rainfall and flooding department now as well. Taking a look at the statewide view, we have a cluster of supercells maintaining their intensity and organization across southern North Texas. We have a lone supercell in the southeastern Texas Panhandle trying to come off the caprock. That is slowly weakening, it looks like. We've got a pretty nasty severe storm across northwestern portions of Sherman County and northeastern Dallam County in the northwestern Texas Panhandle. We got a few storms still trying to be ruckusy across northeastern New Mexico we're having to watch. And it looks like we have a couple of showers trying to go up in the southern Permian Basin, southwestern Concho Valley, not doing much. And we still have some storms in portions of northeast Texas. So let's take a look at all of them. We'll turn off the loop. Switch on over to the super duper awesome blossom. Hey, I can press radar buttons and make up cool names too, weather radar. At this point, down to 2 or 3 supercells. These are going to be in southern North Texas. One nasty looking supercell moving into northwestern Hill County, approaching Lake Whitney and Whitney. That storm's moving southeast at about 30 to 35 miles an hour, showing the potential for very large hail on the radar. We haven't heard any ground truth of that over the last wee bit, but the potential is definitely there. We could see some golf ball size hail at least as this moves over Whitney to Aquila to Abbott and West over the next 45 minutes. This little cone of doom here is a 1-hour track, so this is going to end up being over Interstate 35 between Hillsboro and the north sides of Lacey Lakeview, probably near Abbott and West, over the next 45 minutes. So by midnight, the potential for very heavy rainfall that could cause road flooding, hail, strong wind gusts. And this is also shooting out quite a bit of cloud-to-ground lightning well southeast of the precipitation core. Further southeast, severe thunderstorms extend from near west to Mount Calm to Highway 84, east of Waco, west of Mahia to near Mart. These storms moving a little slower to the southeast, about 15 to 20 miles an hour. The potential for quarter-size hail, winds of 65 miles an hour. The general expectation is we may have these storms stick around for a couple more hours, but they should be weakening here in the next hour or two. Hopefully, that was the general idea, and hopefully continues to be the idea. At some point, they're going to weaken quickly, but when that happens, it's still up in the air, literally. A couple of strong to severe storms from Bogota there on Highway 271 south to Mount Vernon. These could have some nickel to quarter size hail. Winds of 50 to locally 60 miles an hour. The potential for heavy rainfall that could cause localized flooding. Back west into northwest Texas. Severe storm now southwest of Childress. This storm's been slowly weakening, but still has the potential to produce ping-pong ball to golf ball size hail. Should be passing south of Childress there on 62. If it does not weaken and die by midnight, this could be near Quanah by about 12:15 a.m. Monday morning. In the northern Texas Panhandle, northeastern Dallam, northwestern Sherman County. Severe storm right over Carrick on the Oklahoma-Texas state line over 287. This is going to be crossing Highway 54 near Texhoma by about 11:45 to midnight. Currently, this storm is capable of producing golf ball size hail, large hail, damaging winds, heavy rainfall, quite a bit of cloud-to-ground lightning, and we're also starting to see a couple of storms pop up in the western big country. Some of these could have small hail, and it's not entirely out of the question they go severe with hail up to the size of or exceeding the size of a quarter, which is 1 inch in diameter. Again, the general expectation is we're going to calm down here over the next few hours, but when exactly that will occur is up in the air, but at least we have ended up with fewer storms than we did earlier. So as always, you can keep an eye on the sky with the free Texas Storm Chasers interactive weather radar on our website, texasstormchasers.com/radar, and in the free Texas Storm Chasers mobile app.